Hey guys, I'm Rishabh. Welcome to Soberish. Let's try something completely out of the box, which I like to call the Kurkure Tequila Shots. Firstly, get a packet of Kurkure and open it up.
A few moments later.
So put this Kurkure in a jar. So once you put the Kurkure in the jar, fill it up with some tequila. So now, close the jar and shake it well. Hopefully we'll get the color. So once you're done with this, get a shaker and put this all in. Squeeze one lemon in this. And add some ice. Now shake this as well. So once you're done shaking, it's time to prepare the shot glasses. Take the shot glasses, pour some Kurkure in a bowl, and muddle these Kurkure. So once you're done muddling, rim these shot glasses with some lemon. Let's get to the rimming. Let's prepare the other one. Now that our shot glasses are ready, let's pour the mixture. Now let's garnish these with very small slices of lemon. Now let's garnish these shots. So there you have it guys, the Kurkure Tequila Shots. Be sure to give this Indian twist a definite try because this is something completely out of the box and something very new. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe, and definitely check us out on Instagram because we're doing some great stuff over there. Until next time. Cheers. This is not for the faint-hearted.